as you see, this is the car, and I'm working in the shop. And I want to say just one thing. Thank you, boss. You give me the opportunity to work in my car. And my sponsor, of course, is gonna be Jet Towing, because he's the one who's letting me work at the shop and doing all of that stuff. And this is the car. How do you see? This is the first video for it. I'm gonna walk into it. This is the body. It's most of the stuff is original. I'm not expert with this stuff. I'm trying to learn, but most of the stuff as I see is original. I didn't inspect the car all the way when I bought it. I have a small stuff to change. Like first thing I saw after I bought the car, bring it to the shop. The car radiator, it looks amazing and it's nice, but for me it's rusty. And really the thread from inside, if I open it, I just turn off the car, the thread from inside is like shorted. It's so bad. The body is in a good shape. It's not in a bad shape. I'm working with one of my friends now. That's another video, you will see it in the YouTube channel. We're gonna shine this beauty. Like, I want you to save this video and see how does the body look like right now, because you're gonna see the big difference in the not next video, the video we're gonna shine the car into it. So far the body is good. It's just like faded from the sun, have a couple of scratch into it, and you can tell and see by your eyes. Doesn't need that lot of stuff. It's nice and it's solid. It's a free rust. That's the most important thing you want to know about it in New York. It's that amazing thing. It's a free rust, and thank God about this thing. There is some details. We're gonna walk into it, change this and change this to make the car like not 100%, but like 99% original. I'm not gonna change a lot of stuff in the car. I ordered some stuff for the car, but not a lot. And this is the body. You can see it. Judge about it by your eyes. You can see the body, how it's look like. Maybe I saw a body like a million times in this video. I'm sorry. Now we're gonna open the hood together and see how it look like. Oh, you know something? Let me open it all the way. The engine is in a great shape. To me, it have a couple of stuff. It have like a tiny bit of oil leak, but when I did my search about this car, it doesn't have a sealing. It have like a rubber thing around the crank. It's not a rubber. I'm not perfect yet with this stuff, but it have a rear leak seal, and everything is good. We're gonna try to change a couple of stuff like the radiator hose. You can see it's bad. It needs to be changed. The two of them, we're gonna take the radiator out and clean it, because also, let's see if we can open it. Oh, and of course, one thing I learned about this car, it doesn't have a gauge for the temperature. This is really the gauge, guys. You see? That's what I mean. The thread is bad. I don't know if you can see it. It's so bad. And this is the gauge for the temperature. This is how it was on 28. We're gonna put it back like this now because it's bad. That's one of the stuff. Let's open the other side. We're gonna do a service. We're gonna change the oil. It's also like after I did my search about it, it doesn't take, it needs to be have a special oil. It have to be 30 weight non-detergent oil, because it doesn't have an oil filter. And we have a fuel leak. It's not that bad also, but I ordered a couple of stuff for the car. One of them is the rebuild kit for the car, and maybe also we're gonna do like another video for the rebuilding the car. We don't know if we have a chance, and our cameraman will Our camera behind the scene will give us a shot for that one. And we will do it together, of course. Now in the interior. The interior is in a good shape. Really, to be honest with you, I didn't like. It's not in a perfect shape. It's in a good shape. Someone did like not the best job into it, but it's a redone. Oh, this is a good luck for my boss. I'm sorry about this one. It's good. Some of the stuff I think it's being restored, like the dashboard, our tiny dashboard. Of course, these cars, something maybe some people doesn't know, the dashboard is the fuel tank, guys. This thing, the dashboard is the fuel tank. This is the gauge for the fuel tank. This one also one of the stuff I ordered. The generator, this car doesn't have an alternator, it have a generator. This is, I think it's been replaced. This is the odometer. I hope it's working. I don't know, I didn't take the car for a long ride. And this is the ignition key on off. And some of the stuff also to know about this car, it's have a shutdown valve for the fuel. Before you turn off the car, maybe you can't see it, but it's here. And steering wheel, it's the steering wheel, it's in I think it's an original one. I hope so. And this is the horn. And the crazy and the funniest part, okay, when we bought this car, I want you to see this one with me. When we opened the seat, look to the guy before of me, what did he do? I don't know what did he think about, but he said to me, that's how did we bought it. I don't know what is this really, but when I go online, I found this one and the driver's seat also. Let's see if we can open it. Yes, we can. And this one also. All of them, not the both of them. I found the rebuild kit for this seat. They called it like the mounting seat, the mounting for the seat. I found it and I ordered it, and we're gonna change it. And when I see we, it's me and you guys, of course. We're gonna change it, and I will see you how it's looked like before. Save it just in your mind and see how it's looked like. The back chair, it's really in a fair condition also. It's in a good condition. And this car in 28 doesn't have seats, belt. Someone add these stuff to it. Thank you. And I think this is most of the stuff. I never opened this one. This is the first time I open it by myself, but there is a crazy stuff here. Most of you people gonna know about it. And of course, this box is not original. Someone had this box because it doesn't have a trunk. Ah, shit. Oh. Ta-da! You know what is this? Let's go and see it together. I'm not gonna use it. I didn't know how to use it because some people broke their hand from this thing. But thank God we have a starter in this car. This is the crank to start the car, but I will never gonna do it by myself because I don't know how to use it, and someone gonna teach me how to do it in a good way because I don't want to break my hand. That's it. Maybe we will do it together one day. I found an interesting thing. Of course, they left me a gift here. I don't know what is it, but I'm gonna find it in the future. I think the owner of this car he left me his can. He wants me to keep the car forever or what? I don't know really. Maybe I will keep it with me for until like I become using this can. It's a nice one. It's not that bad. It's not smoking. Thank you. Thank you for the nice car and the nice can. I appreciate that. Thank you for watching the video. And please hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to get the notification when I download another video.